Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. It is Pantry Cooking for 2 Tuesday, and if you watched yesterday's Mix It Up Monday, I'll bet you know what I'm going to make today. Actually, today I feel like making some slice and bake oatmeal cookies. So I'm going to open up one of the rolls of cookie dough that I had made so that I can have cookies on hand whenever I want them. And now all I've done is taken one of those out. And they're not like frozen solid. You can still slice them, or you can let them warm up a little bit if you want. But I just pull off the wrapping. And now I try to do this even, so I'm going to cut through half. And then this has nuts in it and oats, so yummy. And then I'm going to cut it in fourths, and then each one of those fourths I'm going to cut in thirds so that I have a nice dozen cookies. So there's one. Oops. I have to put that together. And there's two. And I'm just going to lay these on my Silpat. And these also have raisins in them, but they're just going to be perfect. Now I've got my oven set to 375. So I'm going to put that one there. You can't even it out size-wise. I'm just going to slice through here. And these will cook for 10 to 12 minutes just until the edges are brown and the centers are still a little soft. So there's that. So see how easy this is? Like, you can be the person that always seems to be having fresh baked cookies at the drop of a hat. As long as you have these in your pantry. Cut through that raisin. The raisins are what make it kind of break apart, but that's okay because you can just kind of clump them together, and as they bake, they kind of will spread out together. Get that little bit off there. Put it in there. It's going to be so good. Get this. And you could put pecans and cranberries in here. I've got walnuts and raisins. But if you wanted to do this with pecans and cranberries, you could do that and they'd still be delicious. And even the ginger snap cookies that are in the recipe, go over to, if you want all the recipes, go over to Mix It Up Monday, or I'll try to put them here too. But just go over there and print them out. There's 4. There's the oatmeal, the chocolate chip, the peanut butter, and ginger snap. All right, there's that. I'm going to pop these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll come back when they're done. And the reason this is a pantry cooking for 2 is because I can make just a dozen cookies. I could actually cut these rolls, these frozen cookie rolls, down in half, or I could just take one out and cut it in half and cook only 6 cookies and put the rest back in the freezer if I wanted to. But for now, I'm just going to make this dozen. All right, guys, the timer went off, and I can't wait to show you these cookies. So good. 12 minutes later, I've got these beautiful oatmeal cookies. I'm going to put them on the little cooling rack. I'm excited for these. Actually, yeah, I did these the full 12 minutes. I probably could have got away with maybe 10 or 11 minutes, but I think they're going to be fine. And I do notice that when I use the Splenda baking stuff, things puff up a little bit more, but that's fine. I don't care. It still tastes the same. And it still cuts a lot of that sugar out. So there you have some cookies. Now I'm going to let those cool off, and then we'll give them a little taste test. Oh, so good. Okay, I can't wait. I have to try one. So good. Oh, yum. These are good. Still warm. Really good. Oatmeal cookies. And you know what? I like the fact that I could take one of those little rolls and cut it in half and just make 6 cookies. Or I could do 2 of them, make 2 dozen cookies. But I like the fact that I can do these for like just cooking for 2 instead of having to make a whole huge batch. So I hope you guys give this a try. I'm so excited. I love having these in my freezer. 384 cookies is what I have in my freezer. Well, not now because I made some, but that's good. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.